Amy has something to share today. Let's read, a school uniform. The special word in this story is the word a. Say it. This is a sock. This is a sock. This is a shirt. This is a shirt. This is a skirt. This is a skirt. This is a hat. This is a hat. This is a shoe. This is a shoe. This is a uniform. This is a uniform. Oh, I have a bag too. Oh, I have a bag too. Now it's your turn to try. I will turn the pages and be quiet, look at the words and read. Give it a try. When you see the purple flower bounce, it's your turn to read. Good reading. Now let's review as we read. Try reading the sentences to answer the questions. Remember the word a. Read this. It says this is a hat. Read this. What is that? It says this is a shoe. They're school shoes. Read. What does it say? It says, oh, I have a bag too. Excellent. You've just earned a sticker. Remember the special word in green in this story. A. Let's play a game. I will show some words, and you have to find the word a. Like this. Find the word a. A. One more time, find a. A. Thanks for reading with me. Let's read again soon. Subscribe to practice more reading.